Understanding the phrase pacifier, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, and it's all about the word pacifier. Whether you're a parent, planning to become one, or simply interested in expanding your English vocabulary, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and understand what pacifier means and how to use it in everyday conversation. A pacifier is a small, usually rubber or plastic, device that is designed for babies to suck on for comfort. It has a nipple-shaped part that goes into the baby's mouth, a shield that prevents the baby from taking the whole pacifier into their mouth, and sometimes a handle. Pacifiers are used to soothe and calm babies, and many parents find them to be an essential item, especially during the baby's first few months. In different parts of the world, pacifiers go by different names. For instance, in the UK, it's commonly referred to as a dummy. In Australia, you might hear it being called a soother. Despite these differences in terminology, they all refer to the same item. It's good to be aware of these variations, especially if you are traveling or communicating with people from different parts of the world. Now that we know what a pacifier is, let's look at how we can use this word in sentences. 1. Can you pass me the pacifier? The baby is starting to cry. 2. I think we need to buy a new pacifier. This one is starting to wear out. 3. Do all babies use a pacifier? In all these sentences, pacifier is used as a noun, and it's quite straightforward. Just like any other noun, it can be used with articles and adjectives for more descriptive sentences. It's also important to talk about the care and hygiene of pacifiers. Since it is something that the baby puts in their mouth, it needs to be kept clean and sterile. Most parents will have multiple pacifiers and will sterilize them regularly to ensure they are safe for use. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on what pacifier means and how to use it. We hope this video has been helpful and has added a new word to your English vocabulary. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.